Hey guys, just a quick update on the sugarcane here. I wanted to show you that this is actually sprouting. So this is just a sugarcane stalk from the grocery store, and you can see here it has actually begun to sprout. So it's sent out roots from just being planted in the soil, and it is beginning to sprout here. Right there. And then another one right here. So it might be a bit of a mess having multiple stalks sprout from this central stalk, but I'm sure that there's going to be more coming up from the soil at some point, and I'll have to rehome this. But this proves that it works, and it's going to be interesting to grow this for sure because they get huge from what I understand. So yeah, the sugarcane experiment is a success so far. I'll probably have some more updates as it gets bigger. Yeah.